Since the dawn of time, humans have sought to understand where we come from. The story of human evolution spans millions of years, encompassing dramatic environmental changes, the rise and fall of other species, and the triumph of Homo sapiens as the dominant species on Earth. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through time from the earliest human ancestors to the modern world, exploring how we became who we are today. Human evolution traces its origins back to Africa around 7 million years ago. The first species that started walking upright or bipedal was Sahelanthropus chidensis. Over time, species like Australopithecus afarensis, Lucy, emerged, walking on two legs and adapting to both tree life and ground life. These early hominins were the pioneers of bipedalism, marking the first major step toward what we recognize as humanity. Over millions of years, the genus Homo evolved from Australopithecus. Homo habilis, known as the handy man, began using simple tools, while Homo erectus was the first to control fire and migrate out of Africa. This is where human evolution truly took off. Around 300,000 years ago, our species, Homo sapiens, appeared in Africa. However, we weren't alone. During this period, other human species like Neanderthals and Denisovans also existed. Modern humans would eventually migrate out of Africa and meet these other species in Europe and Asia. Genetic evidence suggests that interbreeding occurred between Homo sapiens and Neanderthals, as well as Denisovans, meaning that most of us today carry traces of their DNA. Neanderthals were highly adapted to colder climates, while Denisovans lived in Asia. These interactions, both peaceful and violent, played a crucial role in shaping the genetic diversity of modern humans. Climate has played an enormous role in human evolution. As the ice ages came and went, early humans adapted to drastic changes in their environment. Harsh winters in Europe shaped the development of robust Neanderthals, while those in Africa evolved to endure more variable and at times drought-like conditions. During the Ice Age, Homo sapiens developed the tools and clothing necessary to survive in colder climates, allowing them to spread across the globe. The ability to adapt to changing environments was critical to the survival and success of our species. One of the most defining traits of humans is our capacity for language and culture. While it's debated when exactly language evolved, it's believed that Homo sapiens were the first species to develop complex language skills around 70,000 to 100,000 years ago. This allowed for better cooperation, storytelling, and the passing of knowledge between generations. With language came the ability to create art and form societies. Early cave paintings, such as those in Lascaux, France, demonstrate the symbolic thinking of early humans. These cultural advancements enabled humans to build larger and more complex societies. As Homo sapiens continued to evolve, so did our technology. Around 12,000 years ago, we entered the Neolithic era, marking the start of agriculture. Early humans began to domesticate plants and animals, leading to the establishment of permanent settlements. This shift from a nomadic lifestyle to one based on farming was one of the most profound transformations in human history. This agricultural revolution laid the foundation for modern civilizations. With surplus food, humans had more time to develop new technologies, including tools, pottery, and eventually metalworking. This era was also when the first cities started to form. Homo sapiens were the first species to truly conquer the world. From Africa, humans spread across Europe, Asia, and eventually into Australia and the Americas. With every migration, humans adapted to new environments. In the Americas, humans hunted megafauna like mammoths, while in Asia, they developed advanced irrigation techniques for farming. Over time, these scattered human groups began developing distinct cultures, languages, and technologies. This global spread set the stage for the rise of civilizations like Mesopotamia, ancient Egypt, and the Indus Valley. The story of human evolution is far from over. From our humble beginnings as small bipedal primates, we've evolved into a species that shapes the very world around us. The incredible journey of Homo sapiens continues today as we push the boundaries of science, technology, and exploration. What lies ahead for humanity is uncertain, but the lessons from our past remind us of our resilience and capacity for innovation. If you enjoyed this journey through the story of human origins, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll continue exploring fascinating topics like the rise of civilizations and the mysteries of the ancient world. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below.